let me show you how to create this cute updo hairstyle. To start, I like to mix a little styling cream with a nourishing hair oil for a smooth, sleek finish that doesn't feel crunchy. Now work that through your hair and then brush it into a mid-height ponytail right above ear level. And then I'm using a boar bristle brush to get a super sleek, polished look, and once smooth, secure tightly with a hair elastic. Then I like to gently pinch and pull around the crown to give it a more lived-in look. Now for the twist, take a bit more of that hair cream and oil combo and apply it to the ponytail to keep everything smooth. Now place your index and middle finger on your left hand just above your ponytail, and with your right hand, bring the ponytail up over your fingers to the right. Then twist your fingers halfway and press that twist flat against your head to form the top of your bun. Next, wrap your ends tightly clockwise down and around the base, then up the left side under your twist. Now you can tuck your ends or leave them out like I did for like a fun look. To secure, I'm using 3-inch French pins that I've slightly bent, and you slide the pin through the outer edge of your twist, press it against your head, flip it to the right, and slide it in. Repeat this around your bun. You'll need about 5 pins total. They're super secure. And finishing touches, smooth your ends, tame flyaways with a touch of hairspray, add some glaze drops for extra shine, and you could also dress it up with some beautiful hair accessories if you'd like. How gorgeous is that? Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.